for the shoot, I was really inspired by like the glamour women of the 70s and like the Studio 54 era and that whole group. Something that's really great about the highliners is that they are really long lasting and they dry down when you apply them to the skin, but you have lay time. And it comes in so many different shades. I love all of them. I use the shimmer ones a lot, and I love the matte ones for doing like really graphic eyes, so you can kind of draw different shapes. You can do something really smoky by blending it out with like a synthetic dome brush. That's what I love about these, is that you can use them as like a cream eyeshadow basically. I would definitely apply 2 layers of the Velvet Noir and your lashes will look like fake eyelashes, like phenomenal. Then I'll use a really pale shade of the Marc lipsticks and create like that like ombre 90s lip. Like my ultimate inspiration in beauty and makeup is glamour for sure. I've always loved like decadent times in history of makeup and fashion and beauty. I'm Sam Visser, and this is how I style with Highliner.